What's up, guys? So today we're removing the bumper so we can install our new lip. It already had like a splitter. I'm gonna take that off. So real quick, you guys already know about the bolts up here, the one in the middle of the grill over there. Over here, you guys are come and snap this clips right here. Of course, this is the best tool to use. You don't want to break them. We got two. We got one up here, and then we got the one down here. So right here in the fender, and here with the bumper, we got one. And you can open it up, and then there you're gonna be able to access a 10mm that holds the bumper to the fender right here. After that, you wanna disconnect the fog light and the corner light here. And under here, under the car, we're gonna go under. So you guys can see, I'm gonna show you. We have another one there that's holding it. It's a 10mm, and one down there that was holding it as well. You guys can see. It's another 10mm. So now this side of the bumper is out. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing on this side. Right here, we got one clip, and then another one right here. Pop those out, get it loose from there, and then down there, and we should be able to take the bumper out. I'll show you guys the new. We're babysitting today. We should go just wash her car clean, then tell her mom. This is the new. We're gonna color match this. Hopefully we're gonna color match it. Hopefully the red I got is not too hot. If not, we're gonna have to repaint. But we'll see about that. So real quick, what we got under the bumper. So this one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 actually. But my car only had 4 of them. Had 2 on each side. Actually 5 of them. The 2 on each corners and 1 here on the middle. This is where we're at. Now with the old, and we got the new one. We're still, so far we just some screws there, 2 on each side. You need to stretch it out for sure. Seems solid, but still need some sort of support here on the middle, I believe in. I don't want to tap 2 screws on the end, but I think I'm gonna have to, and probably just end up color matching them or paint them black. That way they don't look just like, you know, because I really don't want to leave it like that from the front. But other than that, the fitment's right. I don't know what you guys think. For some reason, I even like it like that on black. I don't know if I throw it on like that and then think about color matching it later. All right, for our fog lights, we got 2 10mm screws right there. Get them off and then just come right out. And here's a little before. They're hella chipped. We're gonna sand them down, and we're gonna tint. That's what I got for a yellow tint. See how we do with that. Right, we had just sanded them down, and we're just spraying some clear coat on them. Pretty much restoring them. I sanded them down with P320, and they're looking good. Just gotta spray, wait, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, especially with this heat right now, and then you can spray another coat on them. So little by little, they're just coming back to life. result. Actually came out pretty nice. I'm afraid it might not be the perfect match though. But there's only one way to find out. I also took advantage and I blacked out my grill. It's full of chips. No more chrome outline out here. I think that's gonna look dope. So it's a wrap. It's kind of late. Took all day, but pretty happy with the result. We got the film and the fog lights, and the color came out pretty spot on. Maybe just a tad different, but other than that, I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Guys like it?